Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today I'm going to bring the atomic lighter. Now, this is a very inexpensive little lighter that I just purchased because I was going to give it out for a gift, but then I say, you know what, I'm going to keep one of these for emergencies just in case I ever need it, or it's just one of those gadgets you want to have instead of wasting actually matches or having these gas lighters. This is actually a pretty good option. So let me show you exactly what I purchased. Now, this was for like 20 bucks pretty much. You can find these in pretty much in a lot of places now. It's just a lighter. You might have seen the commercials out there where the lighter actually is made of electricity, and it actually rates electricity instead of any kind of conducting any kind of fuel or fire. So it does produce fire actually with the system. So it does give you instructions in the back, and it's easy to open. Little foam setup. Now you get it out of the foam itself. It's a little hard to get it, tricky. Take it out. Well, it's a little tricky to get out, as I said, but once you have it out, it's pretty much good. Now it's fully charged fully before use, so you got to make sure you charge it. But I'm not gonna charge it right now. I'm actually just gonna go ahead and turn it on because I'm pretty sure it comes on. So once you turn it on, you hear that noise? It produces electricity in there. Now, I'm gonna get a piece of paper here, see how hot it is. So this thing, it produces heat. It's just basically electricity running, conducting close together itself, and it's producing. Let me see if I can get it right in the camera. You can hear it there. Loud and noisy. It does burn, and it's a great way to have an extra candle around. And it does have an off and on button. I'm gonna turn it off in the bottom. It has an off and on button. It's like a zip lighter pretty much for those that like to smoke. This is something that you want to have. I don't smoke myself, but I don't condone it either, and I don't want people to start smoking in my show, of course, but if you are, that's your choice. Now there is a USB slot here in the back. It's a USB, the same one that does the micro USB connection. You plug it in here, and you can plug it into any kind of charger you have, and it'll charge it. It'll give you a couple more charges. It's guaranteed for a couple of clicks itself. There's no indicator of how much power is built in here. It's secure. If you don't turn it on, it won't turn on, of course. So you must have it on before you actually indicate it. You could keep it running, but it's conducting electricity. That's pretty much what it's doing. That's why it's making this faded noise. It won't turn on when it's locked in there. It's a safety mechanism, but it is a great safety mechanism if you have this in your pocket. Now, it's a great option to have instead of having any kind of fuel or any tinder or anything like that. It's a great option, like I said, to give you a little USB charger. It's only 20 bucks, little item. It's not that expensive. It's about, I would say, 2.5 inches long and half of inch on thickness. So it's not bad. It's a great gift basket for those that, hey, 4th of July coming around the corner, you want to use this kind of power to turn on your fireworks. This is perfect. Simple to use, just push of a button. It's not that hard. You could have a kid do this and turn them on. Now, be careful because they do say it's keep it away from children because of the conducting of electricity. You don't want to get electrified because you actually could let some voltage on in here. So be careful how you use this. Consult your manual, like I said. It's a pretty simple device, not that very expensive. Under 20 bucks. So it's called Atomic Lighter. If you have any questions or any comments, please place them right below. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm your host, Frank the Tank. Thank you for watching Upgrade.